Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Synchrony Bank login password, secure fix step by step clearly. To reset your Synchrony Bank login password, start by visiting the official Synchrony Bank website. On the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to go to the login screen. Here, you will see an option that says Forgot your password? Click on this link. You will be directed to a password recovery page. Enter your email address associated with your Synchrony Bank account in the provided field. After entering your email, click on the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Synchrony Bank. If you don't see the email, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and look for the password reset link. Click on the link to be directed to the password reset page. You will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. After confirming your new password, click on the Submit button. A message will indicate that your password has been successfully reset. You can now return to the login screen. Enter your email and new password to access your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.